Don't read this as 111, but rather call each digit one after the other. So this is 111 in base 2 and not 111 in base 2. Now let's show how we got 111 in base 2. Okay? So now let's see the expanded version of this. The expanded version 111 base 2 is equal to 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Now you see 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Now, how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3. Okay? So always start from 0. This one is 0, this one is 1, this one is 2. Okay? Just like here when we're putting the powers, we use 0, 1, 2. Always start from 0. So this one is going to be 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2. Are we together? So it's going to be what? 1 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. Now let's evaluate and see what our answer gives us. 1 times 2 raised to power 2 is equal to what? 1 times 4 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 is 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0 is 1 times 1. Please note, anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. Any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. So expanded version of this, 1 times 4 is equal to 4 plus 1 times 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So this is how we got 7 in base 10. So this is the expanded version of this, okay? Now let's expand some few more so you see how it works. Let's expand 8. 1, 0, 0, 0 in base 2. Let's expand it. It's going to be what? 1 times 2 plus this 0 times 2 plus this 0 times 2 plus this 0 times 2. Okay? So now, you might be wondering, teacher, why are we multiplying by 2? It's very simple, because it is in base 2. So we multiply everything by 2, okay? So I told us that we should start putting our power from where? 0. So it's going to be what? 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 2. Start putting your power from 0. So this one will be what? 0. This one will be what? 1. This one will be what? 2. This one will be what? 3. So put them in brackets. Put them in brackets. So let's evaluate. This one will be what? 1 times 2 raised to power 3 is what? 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is what? 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So this is 8 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 2 is what? 2 times 2, which is equal to what? 4. 0 times 4 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 1 is 2 in one place exactly, which is 2 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 I told you is what? 1. So let's evaluate and see what we get. This one is equal to 8 times 1 is what? 8 plus 0 times anything is what? 0. 0 times 2 is what? 0. 0 times 1 is what? 0. So our answer is equal to what? 8 in base 10. So you see, our 8 in base 10 here is actually very correct. Now let me do the last one. Let's say 1001. 1001 base 2. Let's see what it gives us in base 10. This is 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2. I say whenever you want to fix powers, always start from 0. Okay? So this is going to be 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2. This one will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's put them in brackets. So this 1 times 2 raised to power 3, I told us is 8. It's going to be 2 times 2 times 2. That's 2 in 3 places is 8. Plus 0 times 2 raised to power 2 is 4. Plus 0 times 2 raised to power 1 is 2. Plus 1 times 1. Okay, anything raised to power 0 is 1. Now let's solve. 1 times 8 is 8. Plus 0 times 4 is 0. Plus 0 times 2 is 0. Plus 1 times 1 is 1. So we have 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, which is what? 9 raised to the power of what? 10. So we can see from here that our numbering system in base 10 and in base 2 has this relationship to be what? True. Okay? So anytime you want to write 9 in base 2, it's going to be what? 1001 in base what? 2. Anytime you want to write 100 in base 10, 100 in base 2 to base 10 is going to be what? 4 in base 10. That's very, very simple. So now I'll be teaching us how to convert from base 10 to base 2. How to convert from base 10 to base 2. How to convert from base 10 to base 2 and from base 2 to base what? 10. I'd like you to sit back and enjoy. Okay?